everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you guys how to install the NapUp in your car seat, and I'm going to link this down below if you're interested in buying it, and if you're interested in knowing how to install it, keep watching. So the first thing you want to do is when you get it, you want to make sure you take this out so that it's loose. You want to bring the strips all the way down to the end so that it's all loose and long. Same for the other side. Once it's all long and loose, you want to make sure that you take this head piece off for right now. So you just undo it like this. And just put this piece to the side for now. The next step is very important. You want to make sure that these little plastics are inside of here. So you can take this off. And you see how I just did this? You want to make sure that it's inside like this. This piece has to be looking out. Same for this side. There you go. So this is how it's supposed to be looking like. Once this is done, if your car seat has this little cushion inside, just take it out. And you can keep this aside for now, but I don't think you'll need it. Then you want to make sure that the tag is going to be facing upwards. It should be looking like this. So in order to put these straps in your car seat, right here there's a little hole, and you're supposed to have it on both sides. And again, you want to make sure that the tag is going to be facing up, so you can place it like this. And then these strings, you put them through this hole right here. There you go. See? Very simple. Once it's through the hole, you simply just attach it here, and then you just pull like this. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. And now this, so that it's not going to be moving too much, you can just reattach it to the cord. There you go. So this is what it's supposed to be looking in the back. So you see how over here it's folded? It shouldn't be happening. So we're gonna undo this one and start all over again. So then you just adjust it to the size desired for your child. Right now my baby is still 6 months, so this is the perfect size for her. The last part is to install this piece right here. So you just go like this. There you go. So this is the final look, and you can keep this up just like this. And if you feel like your baby is falling asleep in the car, then you can simply just put it down just like that. So when your baby's falling asleep, their forehead will hit this instead of hanging. So this is why I actually got this, and I can't wait to try it with Giselle. Alright guys, so that's it for today's video. I hope this was helpful, and if you liked today's video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. And that's it. Good luck!